Kaloti Jewellers factory was founded in 1988 and is located in the Sharjah area of the United Arab Emirates. It has a floor space of 5,000 meters square and employs over 100 people. The refinery can produce 1,000 kilograms of 999.9% gold per day. The majority of the output is either as 1 kilogram or 12.5 kilogram bars. The factory has Dubai Good Delivery and ISO 14001 accreditations. The Kaloti Central Laboratory is located on site. It is one of the UAE premier precious metal laboratories. It has ISO 9001 accreditation and is in the process of attaining ISO 17025 accreditation.
My name is Munir Kaloti, CEO of Kaloti Jewelry Group. I am delighted to say a few words in the start of this presentation. The success of Kaloti Jewelry Group is based on our dedicated and committed colleagues. Established in the UAE in 1988, the group has benefited from the strategic location of its headquarters in Dubai as a trading crossroad to create a company with a truly global outlook. In addition to gold refining and commercial bullion bar production, we provide complete gold and metal solutions and services to our customers regionally and globally under the mantle of Dubai Multi-Commodities Center and through our offices in the Middle East, Europe, America, and the Far East. We measure our business performance in terms of quality, cost effectiveness, safety, and environmental management to ensure long-term growth. The reason we wish to attain London Bullion Market accreditation for our gold bars are twofold. It is recognized as a premier worldwide standard for gold delivery and silver bars. Secondly, it will allow us to offer more comprehensive services to our customers, whether corporate, financial, or industrial institutions. Now, let us look at our process flow chart.
Reception. This is the reception where the scrap gold is received. The person in charge has to check the seal, match the corresponding serial numbers, and then weigh the scrap gold. The balance is automatically linked to the computer and the weight is recorded directly to minimize any human error. Envelopes are provided for the samples before melt weight. Evaluation. The gold is loaded into the furnace. The molten is stirred and pin sampling is taken. The bars are then cooled down. The bars and the pin envelopes are taken back to the reception area to be weighed and obtain the after-melt weight. The samples are then dispatched to the laboratory for assaying. Grains. Here we produce large surface area grain, which is ideal for dissolving. Dissolve, precipitate. This is the dissolution plant for aqua regia. Here we have the fume abatement, heat exchanger, and sodium chloride scrubbing system. This is the gold reduction plant. Here we have washed 999.9 gold powder, which will be dried and then melted. Melt gold powder. The gold powder is loaded into the furnace. Pin sampling is taken after the melt is completed. The bars are then poured and flame polished. They are then removed, quenched and dried. Production of 1 kilogram. We also produce 1 kilogram bars in the same plant. Inspect, stamp and weigh. The bars are inspected carefully for any defects. They are then machine stamped and weighed again. A weight list is produced automatically via the computer. Dispatch. The 12.5 kilogram bars are packed in plastic boxes, 2 bars per pack. They are sealed and ready for dispatch. At present we pack 2 bars per box, but the method of packaging is custom driven. Laboratory. All assaying procedures are controlled through the quality assurance system. The samples are received and checked. They are taken to the balance room. The balances are calibrated to 5 decimal places and linked to a computer for automatic weight recording. The samples are prepared for cupellation. These are the cupellation furnaces. The laboratory uses 999.99 standards as references during the cupellation process. This is the parting room where all the base metal and silver are dissolved and parted from the gold. Once completed, the pure gold is washed and dried and weighed back. The quality of gold can now be calculated. All gold analysis for customers and melted production is done by the cupellation method. The XRF machine is only used for in-house process control.
It has been a pleasure to be involved in this presentation. I would like to thank all the people at Kaloti for their enthusiasm and contribution towards achieving our accreditation goals.